Hey guys, welcome to upcoming Power BI latest jobs. Today we are going to see about Growel Softech recruitment. Any graduates can apply. Only experience are eligible. 4 to 9 years experience immediate joining candidate can apply. Job description, role, interview questions documents. Job description. Highly complex business and operations problems at the forefront of Wheels Up require collecting and analyzing a variety of data sets to drive both short-term tactical and long-term strategic decision-making. The data engineering team within the data organization at Wheels Up is essential in providing the foundational data for consumption by both systems and analysts in order to enable data-driven decision-making across the company. We are seeking Power BI report developers that can help creating reports, dashboards and other ways of providing analytics through visualization. Qualifications. A degree, preferably an advanced degree, in computer science, engineering or a related field. 3 years of industry experience in architecting and developing data visualization solutions, preferably in a production operations. Background with BI tools and systems such as Power BI, Tableau. Strong programming experience in production environments using SQL. Experience in Azure ecosystem, understanding of the Microsoft BI stack, preferably Synapse. Prior experience in data-related tasks. Mastery in data analytics. Should be proficient in software development. Be familiar with MS SQL Server by stack tools and technologies such as TSQL, Power Query, MDX, Power BI, and DX. Analytical thinking for converting data into relevant reports and graphics. Capable of enabling row-level data security with knowledge of Power BI application security layer models. Proficient in doing advanced level computations on the data set. Excellent communication skills are required to communicate needs with client and internal teams successfully. Role, Business Intelligence Analytics. Experience, 3 నుంచి 9 వరకు years. Job location, Hyderabad, Telangana. Interview mode, virtual. Interview questions. Why should we use Power BI? Which data sources you have been used in Power BI? What is direct query import query and its diff? Can we create calculated column in direct query? What are all transformations you have done in Power Query? What is fuzzy join? What are types of joins in Power BI and what is the join by default? What is live connection? What is selected value DX function and at which scenario need to use this function? What is ISIN-scope DX function? How many workspaces are available for the project you are working? How do you refresh dashboards? Required documents. Resume. Educational certificates. Certificates of extracurricular activities. Form 16. Proof of address. Salary slips. Experience certificates. Thank you guys. Please like, share and subscribe.